Zuri Beach, Goa. Hi and hello there. Vlog with Albert Pinto welcomes you to explore another beach. Zuri Beach, Goa. Awesome white sand beach, clean and calm, specially meant for couples who like to be away from the mad rush. When one prefers peace and privacy, then Zuri Beach is highly recommended. Certainly less crowded compared to Kolwa Beach, as the beach is hardly known to many tourists and somewhat with the locals too. As usual, on every beach in Goa, you can find lifeguards constantly monitoring the beach. Several weddings, events, and other functions are held very often on the white sands by the guests from the Zuri Beach Resort. Location: Zuri Beach is located in South Goa, Peda Varka, very close to Benauli Beach. The distance from Margao is about 12 kilometers and from Benauli Beach is 7 kilometers approximately. Landmark: Our Lady of Gloria Church, Varka, is the main landmark to remember. The beach is mostly visited by the guests from the Star Resort, the Zuri White Sands Resort and Casino. Conclusion: leave footprints on the beach, not garbage. Let the white sands shine like glitter in the ocean. Do enjoy and feel relaxed the nature's therapy by dipping your feet in the soothing white sands and healing salt water. Viewers, thank you for watching my video, and do follow me and subscribe to my channel to view more or to explore more places from Goa. This is Albert Pinto winding up until I see you with another video. Do take care of yourselves and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care once again and bye-bye.